In this lesson, we're going to take a quick look at the role that eyes and forehead height plays in determining the gender and the age of characters. And we're going to start off with gender. The first thing to note is that typically we want to be shortening the vertical height of the eyes when we're drawing the male character's eyes and making the female character's eyes a little bit bigger. Of course, everything still fits within our eye guidelines, so do keep that in mind. You can see here that the male eyes have just been slightly shortened a little bit. In addition to that, we want to overemphasize or exaggerate the eyelashes on the female character and make it very obvious that they have some beautiful fanning eyelashes. Don't forget that it's primarily horizontal. And in the male characters, underplaying or not even rendering in the eyelashes can be quite important in making sure we have more of a masculine look to the eye. Now, in addition to this, we may even take the approach of drawing completely different styled eyes when dealing with our male characters. And this makes a clear differentiation between female and male characters. This height is more akin to a normal style or a realistic style eye height. And it's really a great tool to differentiating your male from your female characters. Let's move on to age. When dealing with age, one of the primary tools we can use is reducing the forehead height of the characters. So whether they're babies up to really old people, we will see a scale of a big forehead as they're younger and a smaller forehead as the characters get older. And what you can see here happening as well is that the eyes tend to move higher and higher up, slightly modifying the proportions of the face. You can see that the nose starts really close to the eyes, moves slightly lower, and as such, that then modifies the mouth line as well. In addition to that, the actual size of the eyes gets a little smaller as characters get older. And what some manga and anime artists do is they actually create separate eye design for older characters to starkly differentiate them from the younger characters. So the younger characters will usually have big shiny eyes, and the older characters may just have very plain eyes with dots and things like that. Of course, that is a stylistic choice. Do keep these important points in mind as you move forward creating your manga characters, and I will see you guys in the next lesson.